Alright, here's an update on the Mini Cooper and recording it with a little bit of a better device now, my Note 10, now that I'm figuring out how to use it better. I just got done installing the sprintex Supercharger kit and working out the kinks, and holy shit is that thing amazing. It took a little while to get it put on and all the kinks worked out, and my water pump's still leaking a little on there, but I RTV'd the shaft and it stopped the dribble here and there that it did. And it also had a bad tensioner. I had to replace that. Then I routed the belt wrong for about 2 days until the dude who sold it to me threw out the idea that I was routing my belt wrong, which I was ending up doing. So once I got that done and the correct size belt and wedged it on there, bam, no slippage. Stock, it was building 17 pounds on my old setup. Now it's only building 15, but it's still much faster. I'll leave all the modifications in the video description. And we'll fire it up. It's just about done. All I have to do is put in my short throw shifter, my hood stripes, and my side decals, and it's pretty much done. Just got to finish wiring in my intercooler sprayer, and eventually I'm going to get a meth kit here. Alright, sorry about that pause. Of course I had to go grab my keys. I'd lose my head if I didn't have a neck. We'll fire it up. And then if I can figure out how to do my video thing on here, I'll also record a little test drive. Too much. I already had my windshield smashed out once. Let's see if I can figure out how to take it for a drive and pause the recordings and stuff. Bear with me, guys. We're driving and it's recording. Mission accomplished. Sweet, figured it out. Let's go for a little drive. Just gonna shut my hood, of course. stock brakes in here suck. Drilled and slotted rotors and everything still, but man, I could still feel the brake fade already. They're nothing to brag about. Hey, it worked. Now here's another cool feature about that sprintex kit. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but the water pump runs for about a minute and a half, 2.5 minutes or so after you shut the car down to continually circulate the coolant to cool it down, which is pretty cool. And that's my custom license plate I had made. I think it was only like 40 bucks, so I couldn't beat that. But that's how the Cooper's coming along, guys. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Stay safe, motor on.